The first baby turtle hatches with glee. She rolls down the beach and feels so free. Rolling and rolling, as happy as can be. She dives right into the big blue sea. The second baby turtle hatches with cheer. She walks on her hands, the ocean is near. Handstand and crawling, as happy as can be. She slips right into the big blue sea. The third baby turtle hatches so quick. She cartwheels around with a flip and a kick, turning and twirling, as happy as can be. She splashes into the big blue sea. Now all the baby turtles, 1, 2, 3, are swimming and splashing, so happy and free. Laughing and playing, as happy as can be. Having great fun in the big blue sea.
Itsy bitsy kids,